Welcome to FX Garage. We're just working on a 2011 Apex here. Just did all the usual removal. Took the rear skid out, pull the track forward, take the seat, the gas tank, all the side panels, strip it down so we can get into where the exhaust donuts are. Took the rear can out already. Quite surprising, the bolts came out of the brackets. And even the little Allen key bolts are coming out. Let's open it up, see what the carnage is. I think the customer said there's about 20,000 on this machine. There it is. We got cracked manifolds, cracked Y pipes. Looks like we got everything. Okay, so just when we get this far, I always recommend drilling out these brackets. It's easier for install and removal. That's what the bracket looks like underneath. So there's two of them. There's two of those. And that way the Y pipe is loose. Get some wear there. Okay, we got the Y pipe out. It had the copper donuts in it, which are better. They are better, they will last. But then it causes a lot of strain on your flanges. So as you can see on these flanges how much they've worn, because the copper is stronger, so it starts wearing your flanges. See, it starts breaking them. Doesn't look too bad on this side, then you flip it over. There you go. That's what the copper actually will do to your machine after time. It just wears and then just breaks everything off. That's where the FX Garage kit comes in. You're just basically cutting those flares off. Pretty much right where this one's been. And then you slip in the flex pipes and eliminate the donuts. You can see close up here on the inside of the flanges how the copper just really wears on those flanges, because the copper actually grips the pipe and it won't let it move on it. So that's why it's sometimes better to just keep the nylon, keep going with the nylons even though you got to change them. But when you get into a situation like this X-up exhaust, it's a $3,000 piece there. So we can save it. Okay, so here we are with 2011 Apex X-up exhaust pipe. So we're just literally cutting the flares off of these machines. Just cut them off. Okay, so we just got them all test fitted here in the Apex. See that. Just come inside here. The clamps underneath. Get the clamps right up in there. Everything lines up nice. Holes. So if you want to spend more time, you can even get it up further. It's all on how much you want to put into it. So I like it in the middle, but if you want to get it forward, get it forward. You can see there, you can still move up half, quarter inch.